The light service light for the X5 came on again. Go figure, the E70 X5 diesel that we have here. Mark here again with ExoticCar PlayPlace. So we're heading down to the local hardware store. The light service light for the X5 came on again. Go figure, the E70 X5 diesel that we have here. We have another little blurb that popped up. Looks like the DEF diesel exhaust fluid came in. So I'm going to show you kind of how that looks, how that works, and how to quickly do it kind of trash way to install it. So anyway, let's go in, grab some fluid, and then I'll show you how I do this kind of dirty backyard style. All right, let's go. Take a look here. 2 spots to fill this. One of the spots is right here. You can top that one up right away. Put that in there. BMW has a pressurized bottle that you can squeeze and it pushes the volume and screw it on. But I'm just going to dump this in. I'm going to do it the easy way. It's actually not the easy way, but I don't need that special bottle that cost me $70. I'm just going to do it my way. This will start splooging out, by the way, but so you want to make sure that you kind of go easy there when it starts getting bubbling up to the top. I'm going to take that out. Put that back on for now. There's another one over here on this side. It's a little harder to get at. But I'm going to reach in there and it looks like I can get at it. Not too bad today. I'm going to drop this in there. We're going to fill that one too. Put this diff in there. Oop. Now we're going to pour. Okay, so I just topped that up. Screw this back on over here. See, fortunately you can kind of reach it. I used to take this pipe off. I don't think it's really necessary actually. As long as you don't over tighten this. You can do it by hand. You can get your hand in there and snug that down. Now we're pretty much done. We're topped up. That's your DEF fluid. I just topped it up. I'm hoping that fault code goes away that tells me I only have X amount of kilometers till it shuts off. Because if you let that run beyond that mileage and you go for that restart after, it will not run. The car will not run. It'll leave you stranded. This thing. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to try to start the car and see if that code goes away. So let's give this a go. So it looks like the code went away. Sadly enough, it looks like I'm due for an oil change too. So here we go again, round and round and round. But it looks like the DEF fluid fault cleared. I don't have that countdown anymore, so we're good to go. As far as that goes, no more troubles, and we're off to the races. Hey there, Mark here again, signing out with ExoticCar PlayPlace. Be sure to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope you liked that. Talk to you next one. Catch you then. Bye-bye.